digital masters, innovation is key. But did you realize poor SEO can undermine your visibility? Your journey begins with solid knowledge. AI-driven keyword analysis. Identify high-value keywords using AI algorithms. How to use. Leverage AI tools to research trending keywords efficiently. Action. Integrate AI for enhanced keyword targeting in campaigns. Content optimization. Using AI, refine your content to align with SEO best practices. How to optimize. Use AI to analyze content distribution and engagement. Action. Revise content based on AI recommendations for better performance. Automated SEO reporting. Automate your reporting for clear insights. How to automate. Implement AI tools that generate SEO performance reports. Action. Use these insights to refine and adjust strategies quickly. Predictive analytics for SEO trends. Forecast future changes in SEO landscape. How to predict. Analyze data trends to anticipate SEO shifts. Action. Keep your strategy flexible to accommodate new SEO developments. Let's explore real-world scenarios to enhance understanding. A new AI tool promises to boost your keyword rankings. How do you assess its value? Evaluate and research. Check its past performance and user reviews. Your action should be: gather data before investing time or money. Your site rankings drop suddenly. What should you analyze first? Pause and assess. Review recent algorithm changes or content updates. If affected, use AI analytics to determine the root cause. AI simplifies complex SEO processes. Smart keyword strategies yield better results. Automation enhances accuracy and saves valuable time. Staying updated with AI trends is essential for continued success. Contact us if you need assistance in implementation. Thank you for participating in our AI SEO training.